Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I'm sharing with you a little boy's room. Now this room I had used before, but never in this decorative paper. The walls of this room used to be little ABC stickers all around. And what I did was I covered them with this beautiful decorative paper that I got from Michael's, and I had to cut out the window, I had to cut up the door, and it wasn't easy. It was not easy to cut those out, but I got it done. And then I added some little curtains there and autocollants from the Dollar Tree. Those little dolphins there, those are autocollants. So I had this little boy, and he came from one of those dollar stores, where they have the party favors, for baptisms and birthdays and all that. That's where he came from. So he's on his elephant, and then he has a mess. He has all these toys all around. So these are all part of my miniature collection. And look at those cars and trucks. The drum there, that's actually a Christmas ornament. During Christmas, you can get a pack of those at the Dollar Tree or some dollar store, and they come in red, yellow, gold, silver, and blue. Then back there, I have a little board. All that is part of my miniature collection. And that little horsey over there, everything. The balls. The skateboards are from the Dollar Tree, from the party section. And I have a little boat here. So this is the first setting that I'm showing you in this room. I'm going to be bringing other settings, and eventually I'll get to the last one. I hope that you enjoyed this. Now this is a Dollar Tree light that I added to this setting. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.